this is a great international plant expo, and there's lots of vendors here, obviously with a lot of beautiful tropical plants and stuff. We're here with our new aquapots, which are really looking stunning. We're just finishing up getting the booth all set up, and we've got all of our, great paraphernalia for all of that ready to go. But I thought it'd be fun to show you around the show here. Don't get run over by this guy. They're still setting up, obviously, and getting a lot of these booths finalized here. But it's really cool to see through some of this early morning like this. I love how all these plants are all shiny and perfect and looking just gorgeous. Really colorful bromeliad display here. This is one of our favorite vendors right over here. This is Excelsia and their tropical foliage. Look at these anthuriums and bromeliads. Just the way they display all this stuff too. Everything's looking really stunning. Hannah's, look at that leaf variation there. So fun. And there's like whole huge trees in here. So this is Costa Farms. They're another really large scale, very large scale grower, if not the largest grower in the country. And you'll notice how everything is going really modern, really hipster. Costa grows very large scale trees, plants, tropicals, all kinds of stuff. But their whole booth and display is a lot of really cool, small, little, urban succulents and stuff like that, and really showing off that sort of urban look and feel. Even look behind you here. This is a very urban display. All these very small, look at these cute little heart succulent cactuses and stuff there. People love this stuff. I don't know, but I love big beautiful stuff, bold, big crazy foliage, gorgeous big planters and stuff. Look at these trees. Look at the size of that coconut tree. I mean, that thing is seriously like 30 feet tall. Wood siding. These are real wood. Those would rot out in about 10 minutes. But they're cool. Yes. Very clean lines. I love all the whites. Again, whites everywhere. Really modern. And these guys are showing off this gorgeous material here. It's so cool. This show is fun because here we are. It's the middle of winter. And they've got tons and tons of stuff in full flower. It's just easier down here to be able to force plants and or have plants in full flower, like this hibiscus. Look at that foliage and that flower color. It's so awesome. So everywhere you look, there's just plant material just so lush and gorgeous. It's really fun to be able to walk around and see the way people are displaying all this stuff and laying it all out there, really planting it up as if it's an actual garden setting. Look at that portoline. And look at that color. This is black magic. This is like a ruby, but look how long and big the leaves are. Over here. So again, look at all these cute little urban planters and obviously gorgeous orchids. There are some amazing orchid displays here. All these little pots and stuff like that. This stuff's cool. I guess you could put a candle or something in there. This display right here is freaking
Yeah. What is the
This bromeliad right here. And they have this thing just packed out with plants. You walk through here and it's just it's like being in some kind of tropical lush, rainforest. Every one of these booths is so loaded with plants and foliage. It's so freaking cool. I love it. We'll touch base with you guys here in a little bit. We'll do some more bits. See ya. Good morning from TPIE. Just wanted to show you, this is a big, beautiful, majestic aquapot. I planted this up yesterday for display, and here's this one, and we've got a couple others over here. This is right at the main entry to the whole main stage where all of the presentations and stuff are going to be going on throughout the 1, 2, 3 full days of this show. So there's a lot of events, a lot of people that are going to be coming through here, and of course, seeing these beauties. Hello again there, guys, from TPIE. The show is about to start, so we just wanted to do another quick video at our absolute favorite Excelsa Gardens. These guys have a really, really impressive display set up, and I mean this portaline right here called Pink Diamond. I mean, look at the size of that, and look at that pink on the stem in there. It's like a light pink. They're just so awesome. They've got really good varieties. All their plant material looks really, really good. One of my favorite booths, though, at the show is this gorgeous orange over here. I mean, look at that color. The way, I just wanted to remind you, Mom, if you're watching, Christmas isn't really that far away, and I think this would look pretty good on me. Maybe we scratch the sweater this year. Look at these.